Why you should focus on building relationships over transactions. When you're starting out in real estate, it's easy to get caught up in the transactional nature of the business. But I want to encourage you to shift your focus to building relationships instead. Here's the thing. Transactions come and go, but relationships can last a lifetime. When you prioritize building connections with people, you're not just looking for a quick sale. You're investing in the long-term success of your business. When you build relationships, you're building trust, and trust is the foundation of any successful business. People want to work with someone they know, like, and trust. When you show up consistently, provide value, and genuinely care about their needs, you'll build that trust. Building relationships also leads to more referrals. When people trust you, they'll naturally want to refer you to their friends and family. Referrals are the lifeblood of a sustainable real estate business. When you focus on building relationships, you'll create a steady stream of referrals that will sustain your business for years to come. So how do you start building relationships? It starts with mindset. Shift your focus from transactions to connections. Show up consistently. Provide value through educational content and market updates. Most importantly, genuinely care about the people you serve. Building relationships takes time and effort, but the payoff's worth it. When you invest in building connections, you'll create a thriving real estate business that lasts. So let's shift our focus. Let's start building relationships that will sustain your businesses for years to come. Surround yourself with the right people to help you achieve your dreams and your goals. Visit rockstaragent.com today.